everyone, I am Osima Biswal. Today I will discuss about classification of market structures. Okay, the determination of prices and output of various products depend upon the type of market structures in which they are produced, sold and purchased. In this connection, economists have classified the various market structures into A. Perfect competition or pure competition, B. Monopolistic competition, C. Oligopoly, D. Monopoly. Three market forms of monopolistic competition, oligopoly and monopoly are generally grouped under the general headings of imperfect competition. Since these three forms of market differ with respect to the degree of imperfection in the competition in the market. Okay, monopolistic competition is the least imperfect and monopoly is the most imperfect form of market structure. Oligopoly lies in the middle of the two. Okay, the popular basis of classifying market structures rests on two crucial elements. First, the number of firms producing a product. Second, the nature of product produced by the firm, that is whether it is homogeneous or differentiated. Okay, the price elasticity of demand for a firm product depends upon the number of competitive firms producing the same or similar product as well as on the degree of substitution which is possible between the product of a firm and other products produced by rival firm. Therefore, distinguishing feature of different market categories is the degree of price elasticity of demand faced by an individual firm. We represent this table 1, the classification of market form based on the number of firms and nature of product produced by them. First, I will discuss about perfect competition. Okay, perfect competition is said to prevail where there is a large number of firms or producers producing a homogeneous product. The maximum output which an individual firm can produce is very small relative to the total demand for the industry product, so that a firm cannot affect the price by varying its supply of output. Okay, with many firms and homogeneous product under perfect competition, no individual firm in it is in a position, okay, to influence the price of the product. Therefore, as we will see from figure, this figure is that perfect competitions in this type of cell. This is the output and this is price. Okay, this is price line. Demand curve facing it is a horizontal straight line at this level of the prevailing price of the product in the market. That is, price elasticity of demand for a single firm is infinite. Next, I will discuss about imperfect competition. Imperfect competition represents important market category wherein individual firm exercise control over the price to a smaller or larger degree depending upon the degree of imperfection present in a case. First, I will discuss about monopolistic competition. The first important subcategory of imperfect competition is monopolistic competition, okay, on which Professor E.S. Chamberlain laid a great stress in his original though provoking work, The Theory of Monopolistic Competition. Monopolistic competition, as is now understood, is characterized by a large number of firms and product differentiation. That is, in monopolistic competition, a large number of firms produce somewhat different but similar products which are close substitutes to each other. Okay, as a result, demand curve facing a firm under monopolistic competition is highly elastic, which indicates that firm enjoys some control over the price. Demand curve for a product A farm operating under the monopolistic competition is shown in figure, in this figure, that is this type of curve. Okay. Then I will discuss about pure oligopoly. The second subcategory of imperfect competition is oligopoly without product differentiation, which is also known as pure oligopoly. Under it, there is competition among the few farms producing homogeneous or identical product. The fewness of the farm ensures that each of them will have some control over the price of the product, and the demand curve facing each farm will be downward sloping, which indicates that the price elasticity of demand for the product each farm will not be infinite. Okay. Next is differentiated oligopoly. The third subcategory of imperfect competition is oligopoly with product differentiation, which is also called differentiated oligopoly. As its name shows, it is characterized by competition among the few farms producing differentiated products which are close substitutes of each other. The demand curve facing individual farm under oligopoly with product differentiation is downward sloping, and therefore farm would have control over the price of their individual products. Then next is monopoly. Monopoly, as it is now generally understood, means the existence of a single producer or seller which is producing or selling a product which has no close substitutes. Okay. See this table, classification of market structure. If we see this table, we can better understand this market structure. Form of market structure, then number of farms, nature of product. This is price elasticity of demand for an individual farm. This is degree of control over price. First is perfect competition. Okay, number of farms in perfect competition, a large number of farms. Okay, nature of product is homogeneous product. Price elasticity of demand for an individual farm is infinite. Degree of control over price known. Then second, B is imperfect competition. Under imperfect competition, first is monopolistic competition. Under monopolistic competition, a large number of farms producing the product. Okay, nature of product is differentiated product. Okay, but they are close substitutes of each other. Price elasticity of demand for an individual farm. This is large. Degree of control over price. So second subcategory is pure oligopoly. That is oligopoly without product differentiation. Number of farms under pure oligopoly, few farms. Nature of product, this is homogeneous product. Price elasticity of demand for an individual farm is small. Okay. Degree of control over price is some. Then third is differentiated oligopoly. That is oligopoly with product differentiation. Number of farms producing the product, few farms. Nature of product, differentiated products which are close substitutes of each other. Price elasticity of demand for an individual farm is small. Okay. Degree of control over price some. Then last is monopoly. Okay, forms of market structure. Last is monopoly. Under monopoly, there is one farm. Nature of product, unique product without close substitutes. Under monopoly, there is no substitutes goods. Price elasticity of demand for an individual farm very small. Degree of control over price is considerable. So, see this price line. Under perfect competition, the price line is horizontal, but under imperfect competition, price line is such type of shape facing downward sloping. Okay, thanks for watching.